Hello everyone, this is Vinay here from Learn Coding with Vinay, and this is the 10th video of our series where we are building employee management system using ASP.NET Core and ChatGPT extensively. Right. So in this video, we will start working on leave module. We will create the entity for leave module, and we will generate the migration. So let's start into it. So I have prepared the prompt for this in the background, to save time. So let me share this. We'll be requesting chat gpt to go over this and provide the response. So in the leave module, what we will be doing, we will be creating the leave entity which will have ID, employee ID, from date, to date, leave status, whether applied, approved, rejected, right? Leave application date, when was the leave applied, then approver ID, who approved and on which date, and remarks if there are any, right? So these many things we would need in the entity, right? And once the entity is created, we will generate the migration. So let me copy up to this, and let me over here, and let's ask chat gpt, right? Okay, so let me control v, let me say control v over here. Okay, so let's work on leave module now, and I am saying this, you need to generate this and these and these, keeping above in mind, generate required entity and generate the migration. Uh, okay, so let's say what does it come up with. Let's see. So okay, so it is giving us the code for entity. Okay, then adding it to the db context. Okay, that is good. Then we will be using this package manager console, so this and okay, so great. So let's start with the first step, that it says, inside models folder or entities folder, whatever we have models, create the class called leave.cs. So let's do that. So I'll just go to models, right click, add new class. Okay, here it is, leave.cs. I'll say okay. I'll go to chat gpt and I'll blindly copy this and replace this with the code given by ChatGPT, and I'll take this actually on top, because here we are using namespace also, right? So all good. Let's check once. ID, okay, employee ID, okay, it has defined foreign key, good. From date, to date, okay. Leave status would be one of these. Applied date, okay, this is okay, this is okay. Remarks is optional, okay, this is okay. Approved date, that's okay. Employee, that's okay. Navigation property, because we have, okay, employee ID, we have approver ID, okay. So we have this also as foreign key, and we have this also as foreign key, right? And we are saying approver, okay, great. Navigation property, okay. So let me save this. Let's move to the chat GPT again. So this looks good, right? Next step is to add the data set into db context. So I'll go over here, I'll go to data, open application db context, and I'll just say over here, add this, right? So let me close this, let me close this as well, and let's move to the next step. Next step, it is saying that now we should generate the migration. So let's see, if I go here, and package manager console, okay. Okay, so we have the package manager console open. I'll just clear it, for better organization. Now add leave table. Okay, let's say enter. Meanwhile, I'll keep the we keep the stuff ready for our SSMS. Right. Let me enter over here, and instead of this, it would be leaves. I right? So we'll check it later. Okay, so let it generate the migration. Okay, so it generated the class and had some warning. That is okay. We don't have any error. We don't see any red flag over here, right? Okay, so let's see if it is as generated. Let's open that class. And I think it is still generating. Let's wait. Okay, so we don't see any red flag, red lines, so it was generated. Let's see what it has given us. So it is creating leaves table. Okay, ID as the first column, employee ID, second from date, to date, leave status, applied date, leave applied date, approver ID, approved date, remarks. Okay, so this is going good. Okay, this is previous code. Okay, so this is good. Now let's go ahead and update the database. Let's verify the step also from ChatGPT. Yeah, so it says first this and then this one, right? So let me see, fire this now. Great. So it seems to there seems to have no error, right? It seems to have generated the table. Now let's go to our SSMS Studio, and let's see if the table was created. Okay, great. The table was created, right, with nothing in it. So this is good. So basically we just followed the steps blindly given by ChatGPT and it all worked for us, right? So that's it for this video. In the next video we will move ahead and develop the leave module, right? But till then, goodbye and thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.